These are the elevators at Nordstrom, Kenwood Town Center in Cincinnati, Ohio. These are KONE. It's got P2. Here are P2. Let's go to 2. Door closes works. There we go. Here are 2. Let's go to P2. Okay, cap view. These are nice for a Nordstrom. Let's go P1. Let's get the other one. Watch that one close. Let's get the other one. Should be getting this one. There it is. I got this one. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Here are 2. P2. Here, cap view. These are nice for Menards. Cost these £35 Here we are, P2. Alright, let's go to 1. Door closes works. I like that. Here we go. Here, 1.